Hi, I'm Ryan, CEO of KHB Construction. KHB specializes in kitchen and bathroom models, and we are based right here in Modesto and Turlock, California. Today, we want to do a video on what your bathroom is going to cost to remodel in Modesto. When we're talking about cost, we have to think about the two types of bathrooms we could be remodeling. Now, I'm not talking about a hall bath or a master bath. We will get to that, but I'm talking about your vision. So when we're talking about these two different bathrooms, we're looking at the 5 to 15 year bathroom and the forever bathroom. There's a big difference here because in this 5 to 15 year transitionary bathroom, we're not going to be doing some of the amenities that we would be doing in your forever bathroom. Starting in the transitionary bathroom, this is mostly going to be a like-for-like transformation. That means that the vanity location, though it might be a new vanity, is staying in the same location. Same with the shower valve, the shower drain, the toilet location, lighting will be updated, but existing circuits. We're keeping everything as close to original as possible to bring that cost down so you're not spending unnecessary costs for, let's say, adding a whole other vanity or adding a new toilet location or adding a double valve shower system. We want to keep the highest ROI for when you go to sell this bathroom in the near future. So what does that look like when it comes to cost? So the transitionary bathroom, typically starting off around $35,000 to $40,000 for a full transformation in a hall bath, upwards of $50,000 in a master bath situation where we have a little bit more square footage we're working with, and we might do some nicer finishes because it is your primary bathroom. Let's talk about the forever home bathroom. This is the last transformation you should have to do in this space. We are designing your vision to make this the end-all be-all luxury spa-like oasis of a bathroom that you've always wanted. Now with that, we typically are adding circuitry for maybe heated floors or a heated fan element. We usually are relocating the layouts of plumbing locations, so moving the toilet across the bathroom, maybe making a bigger shower, maybe adding a freestanding tub, blowing out a wall and taking over some closet or bedroom space to make more room for that tub, custom vanity, lots of different features on finishes for plumbing fixtures, countertops, tile surfaces. We are really going above and beyond with these finishes because once again, this is the last remodel you should ever have to do in this space. We want to make it right the first time. In this forever home bathroom, the cost is obviously higher than the transitionary bathroom. Hall bathrooms in this space are typically coming out between $50,000 to $55,000, with the master bathrooms coming in $65,000 plus, depending on how bougie you want to get with your finishes. Overall, there are a wide array of price points for your bathroom transformation. From contractor to contractor, the price is going to change. From finish and layout changes, the price is going to change. Make sure you're getting a very clear scope of work, a very clear price point for your transformation, and make sure that you're staying within your vision for this space. If you're moving out in 5 years, don't put $50,000 in that bathroom. If you're going to be there forever, do it once, do it right the first time. That does it for this video. If you are looking to remodel your bathroom in Modesto, California, please give us a call or go to our website, kitchenhomeandbath.com, fill out the Get Your Quote form, and we will talk to you shortly.